When I made the decision to come here from America, I did my research. I looked and studied, and I found Peshmerga. The Peshmerga very much impressed me, that they fight not for money, but they fight for love of country and for Kurdistan to be liberated. So it was an easy choice for me to come and join the Peshmerga.
Yes, go.
I came here because I felt my government, the United States, was ineffective on helping the Kurdish people fight back against extremism and terrorism such as Daesh. And if they weren't going to put in the effort other than airstrikes to help combat forces on the ground,